Everybody, I'm Dan. I've got Brian Weber here from Weber Automotive. How's it going, Brian?
Good, Dan. How about you?
Good. So,
All right.
as you guys know, we've had lots of different conversations, a lot of really cool stuff going on. And today we're just going to talk about the importance of the inspection. I mean, for me personally, it's probably something that most of us might even overlook and not even think of that as part of the practice of how we manage our vehicles. Tell us about that, Brian.
Inspections are really, really important, not only on cars, but on every piece of equipment. Every manufacturer recommends that there's periodic inspections of various components for a good reason. If you don't inspect, what do? You just drive it until it breaks, until it quits. Well, that certainly isn't good. It's more expensive, and it's inconvenient, caused you the repairs are much more expensive when you do that. So it's really, really important for us to inspect every vehicle that comes in. And the reason for that is what we're here for. Our job is to give our customers safe and reliable transportation and help them protect their investment. That is not possible without a good inspection. You got to inspect the vehicle so you can see what might be coming, what might be coming due soon, what component shows where.
Right.
So,
have you ever had anybody come to you for an inspection prior to purchasing, or what does that look like?
oh yeah. For used vehicles, especially, if somebody's looking at, well, not even for a new one, it's not necessary or close to new, but if somebody's looking to purchase a used vehicle, which might be coming up, in the near future for whatever reason, if that vehicle's got more than 20,000 miles on it, I recommend that everybody does a Carfax, kind of look it over yourself first for anything obvious, do a Carfax report on it, and then bring it into us, because we can see a lot of things that might be going on. And if it's a higher mileage vehicle, 50, 60,000, 100,000 miles, there could be more wrong with that car than you could even imagine. Like, we've had cars that come in that look okay, that drive okay, and they've turned out to need so much work that I've literally had to tell people that if they gave you this car for free, it would not be a good deal.
Right.
So yeah, pre-purchase inspections are really valuable.
Yeah, I was gonna say what's kind of interesting too is I just recently sold a vehicle. I had it inspected because I wanted to use that as part of the sales mechanism.
Nice.
Do you ever find it that way? If not, I would say, hey, if you want to sell your car faster, I think even as the seller saying,
Oh my gosh.
inspected here.
Yeah. How much peace of mind and credibility is there in that vehicle when it's been inspected prior to a sale?
Yeah, exactly. So that's another way. I think buyers and sellers highly recommended. If the seller is not giving you that inspection sheet, then it might be good to go to Brian. And the same thing on the other end. So, well, thank you so much for this. Thank you guys as well for this. If you need anything, Weber Automotive, talk to Brian and his team, and they'd be happy to inspect your car. Thank you.